be narrowing down my videos this year to a handful of companies that I'm comfortable recommending on this channel, with EcoFlow being at the top of this list. The reason being is that they keep innovating, they roll out better and better products, and this is just another example. Now again, I know many of my audience who are watching this video will see a product like this as excessive, but on the other hand, people will be in the market looking for this type of product, and I hope this video at least gives you a framework to understand if this is the right fit for you or not. If you have any feedback or questions, feel free to let me know in the comments section below. I'll post a link and a coupon code if you want to pick up one of these units. As always, stay safe out there.
Hey guys, check it easy. Thank you for clicking on our video today. Guys, this is the beast. The brand new EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. Guys, this is one of the most powerful and most
comes right off. That's all that's required to connect all of the batteries together. Then when you get to the top, to connect to the inverter, use a slightly different cable. This cable snaps at the bottom and bolts at the top. The torque for the top bolt is 6 Newton meters. I want to confirm there's no voltage on these before I touch anything, so just double check it. We're showing 0 there and 0 there. So we'll go ahead and make our connections. Now the torque for this should be set to 6 Newton meters. Use a torque wrench for that. Just get it snugged up for now. Now I can go ahead and torque these using my automotive torque wrench to 6 Newton meters. So then I can put in the final communications cable from the top right of the last battery to the link 2 port on the inverter and put the caps on the DC cables. Back except for our PD connection. Now I just need a split phase breaker at some point, and I can always add more or adjust if needed. Just go ahead and put some ferrules on these for good measure. Wiring up this box is super easy. You have a ground bus for the ground wires, and then 2 pairs of lugs, one for line 1 and one for line 2. So I'll connect the incoming or hot line to this inside lug where it's protected, and then the output to the blue LED with the AC outside. So first I can get the ground. Power in goes to the center lugs. Now you might be wondering why I don't just come out and straight into these lugs. A little bit of a service loop will allow you to connect and disconnect them much easier. If you run straight into the terminal, any kind of movement, heating and contraction can loosen the lug. String. And then I added a band of red to identify the positive. It's important to also check with the meter before making the connections to confirm it's correct. I did test reverse polarity protection at 520 volts and there was no damage, but not recommend doing that. Please check to make sure your connections are all properly able to connect to the load, because most units will be damaged by the damage. Now before making these connections, we need to make all the connections at the distributor box. Check the voltage at this end. Before doing any work in the box, I'll turn off all the breakers. With everything in operation now, go ahead and put the cover panel. My wife really hates the look of exposed wires, and I have to say this system really cleans up nicely. It would be nice to have a little more space in the corner I've crammed it into, but overall, I'm very happy with the way it turned out. The car charger can provide a massive load, and I really want to see how it performs with this setup. So let's try that first. All right, the moment of truth. Time to do some EV charging. Okay, I'm charging at 10 kilowatts. Let me turn on the PV. There we go. Now start